Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add and send a certificate to an additional interest. The prerequisite for this is your insured is in the system, your policies with coverages. You can see here that I've put coverages in my policies if I'm looking in the Policy Info Center, and that a certificate master has been created. And you can see here indicated by a 1 that it has. Then what I'll do is I'll go to top navigational menu, I'll go to additional interests, and in the middle of the screen, I'm going to select add new. Now I can choose from an existing list of holders, and that will pre-populate this information here, or I can add new entirely. In this screen, I've taken the liberty to add the information regarding this holder to make this demonstration run more smoothly. Now here in the additional interest portion, you can add any one of these interests. It could be an additional insured, breach of warranty, co-owner, loss payee, mortgagee, any of these things that are listed here. You could put in a loan number if you wanted. Most importantly is to link it to the policy that the additional interest has been endorsed for the policy that the Y needs to show up in the columns inside the certificate. Also, in the description of operations, I can put description language here so that it shows up in the certificate as it's being sent. To the right, this is where we're going to tell the system where you want those Y's to be in the additional interest and the subrogation waiver. So this has been endorsed for general liability and auto liability, and obviously all of these other lines of business if it's applicable. In the bottom left, I'm going to save changes. Then when I add the certificate, once it's added, I can go here to actions and send certificate, or I could even go here to send certificate in the top right. And then you'll see this is your email subject, your email body language, the certificate that it's being used. You see here your description of operations. If you needed any other language in there, you could type that in, say like a location. In the bottom left, you see the send certificate, but for this, I'm going to preview. So preview, and then you'll see, obviously, your producer information, your insured, any contact information, and then you'll see your Ys in the area that you need and your certificate holder. Now, if you put in an address, then the address would be shown here. And then lastly, you would send certificate. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.